I am Dr. D. Anil Kumar, pediatric cardiac surgeon here in KIMS Hospitals. We are a group of doctors um, uh, taking care of children with heart diseases here in KIMS Hospitals. Myself, the pediatric cardiac surgeon, my colleague cardiologist, pediatric cardiologist Dr. Gautami and Dr. Sudeep Verma, and our anesthesiologist Dr. Nagarajan, and ICU team headed by Dr. Nandakishore. We have exclusive department and a unit here in KIMS Hospital to dedicated to the care of the newborn and children, neonates and infants with the heart disease. Heart disease is a vague term. A hole in the heart is a layman term which means many things in the heart. A hole can be, usually a hole in the heart comes by birth, that is it is called congenital. The hole is there when the baby is, when newborn is born from the mother's womb. The hole in the heart is of many types. It can be an ASD, an atrial septal defect, a VSD, a ventricular septal defect, or a tetralogy fallow, where a hole in the heart is associated with obstruction to the pulmonary obstruction to the artery which takes blood to the lungs, that is the pulmonary artery. These are the common conditions which are detected in which we see here, which we see in the society in children with heart disease. There are other complex lesions, other complex holes in the heart, which are called TAPVC, TAPVC, that is total anomalous pulmonary venous connection, then transportation of great arteries, that is TGA. So, and other complex diseases like truncus arteriosus. Here we have an exclusive, we have specialized in the care of all of children with heart disease, ranging from newborn baby, days old baby, to neonates, to infants and children. Our department specializes in performing surgeries and treatment procedures for all range of diseases in neonates and infants. We have an exclusive operation theatre which is fully equipped with a modular theatre with a highly sophisticated heart-lung machine, and also we have an ICU which is dedicated completely to the care of neonates and infants after cardiac surgery. All of us know that these children require, after cardiac surgery, tremendous care in the ICU with skilled nurses and ICU team. We have a very good infrastructure in the ICU, and we have seen good results in our babies after surgeries. Our surgeries are mostly in neonates and infants, and we have done even the smallest open heart surgery we have done as small as 2 kg baby with a large hole, that is the VSD. Other complex operations we perform like transportation, TAPVC, total veins, and we have very good outcomes with them. We have specialized in tetralogy fallow, that is called a blue baby syndrome, where we use the patient's own valve to repair the lung artery. Also, if the valve is small, we reconstruct the valve with biological material, which we have a big number of patients, and we have a good follow up. All of them are doing very well. A hole in the heart usually is detected in the baby and in a baby after birth. For example, if the baby is born, the baby may become blue. That's called a blue baby syndrome. That is a common lesion. There's a common cause. There's a common symptom which is seen by the pediatrician, and the diagnosis of the heart disease is made. Other symptoms are when the baby is not able to feed properly with the mother. That is called feeding difficulty. When the baby is trying to take feeds with the milk, feeds with the mother, there is what is called breathing difficulty or respiratory distress and tachypnea. So with this, the doctor, the pediatrician, diagnoses the problem in the heart and refers to a pediatric cardiologist for diagnosis. Other symptoms are when the baby grows, there may be a sound heard in the chest called murmur, or there may be failure to thrive. The baby is not gaining weight. As we told, as all of us know, a hole in the heart is a vague term, and we have to, after diagnosis is made, treatment options available are either intervention or surgery. Some of the holes in the heart can be treated by intervention. A hole like an ASD or a VSD or a PDA can be treated by a device which is done by our pediatric cardiologists. If it is not possible to do by device, if the hole is big or multiple holes, or if it's a complex hole, and all other lesions in the heart, majority of them are treated by surgery. Surgery is a good option of treatment. So, surgery today, in today's world, surgical results in newborn, in neonates and infants for cardiac surgery, surgical results all over the world are excellent. And here in KIMS we are specialized we have expertise to treat all range of operations with results on par with the West, and our results and our outcomes have been excellent. We have excellent outcomes to be proud our outcomes have been excellent, and we have our patient families have a lot of satisfaction with our results. The common operations which we perform here every day on an average in our unit, we perform 2 open heart surgeries, one in the morning and one in the evening, and most of the babies we operate are very small, weighing less than 10 kilograms, ranging from 3 to 5 kilograms of weight. The common operations we perform here are ASD, atrial septal defect, VSD, ventricular septal defect, and tetralogy of Fallot, that is called TOF. Other operations we perform here are TAPVC, total anomalous pulmonary venous connection, transpiration of great arteries TGA, truncus arteriosus, and several other conditions. We have a wide experience of treating complex lesions like TAPVC and transpiration with a big number, and in the last 4 years we have performed almost 80 neonates with transpiration of great arteries, both with intact septum and with VSD, and our results have been outstanding. As far as the TAPVC is concerned, we operate on all range of all types of TAPVC, starting and most of the TAPVCs are done on an emergency basis. Some of them are done even on day 2 of life, when the baby is on ventilator and when the baby is very sick. With regards to tetralogy of Fallot, our strategy in tetralogy of Fallot is very gratifying, because our surgical results are excellent, and thanks to the surgical strategies we have employed. In tetralogy of Fallot, we have a hole called a VSD in the heart, and the pulmonary valve is small. So our technique involves repairing your patient's own valve and avoiding cutting the annulus in the pulmonary artery, so that there is no regurgitation in future, and the heart function is maintained all through life. In case we have to cut the annulus in tetralogy of Fallot, if the pulmonary artery is small, then we reconstruct that by using a valve which is made out of biological material, and we have done almost 60 type of operations, 60 patients in this subset, which with excellent outcomes, and in the follow-up period, almost ranging from 12 to 15 months, all of them are doing very well. I thank you for your patient listening.